Welcome to the Birches Cottage Resort. We hope you'll join us for our retreat.
On Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, September 17th, 18th, 19th, 2025. Nurture in nature. Come unwind in nature, relax, and go home rejuvenated. Details are coming out soon, so stay tuned.
Oh, yeah. That's what yeah. Is there a nail in that? There might be.
Oh yeah, there is. Right in the middle.
Yeah. 'Cause we
Hello, hello. Impromptu boat ride. Here's our captain.
Just make sure you keep your hands inside your ride at all times.
Just spent a wonderful 3 days at the Birches in Muskoka. What a wonderful nurture in nature retreat we had with Sandra and Kathy. Thank you so much for the sharing the paths, the exercise, the boat trip, and the meals. It was a wonderful, wonderful experience. I am so glad that I allowed myself to do this. and I suggest you might want to try it too. My name is Charmaine Grace. Thank you.
Spent 3 beautiful days at the Birches on this nature nurture retreat. It was so relaxing, grounding. The host, Kathy and Sandra, were so welcoming. And Paul, special mention to you for your great muffins. The walk was spectacular. The time on the boat was just a plus that I did not imagine. I will do it again in a heartbeat. Looking forward to the next time. Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining the Women's Retreat Nurture in Nature at the Birches Cottage Resort.
Stay tuned for details for next year.
Thank you so